Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy and today I have just one DIY for you. This is, I'm just calling it a watering can. I end up not using those flowers. But this is a watering can I was sent in a mystery challenge, I think from Lori with the Crafty Connection last year. I think that, yeah, that was in there. And then I have this canvas from Dollar Tree, some burlap fabric, and again, I don't use those flowers. I changed my mind. I have a hard time with spring crafts because, as you all know, I like more industrial look and stuff like that, so not really into the whole colorful type stuff. I guess, I don't know. Plus, we used to camp all the time and fish, so I really never did very many spring crafts or summer. But I'm taking this Waverly Antique Wax and going to apply it so it doesn't, that white doesn't show through when I put the burlap on. And that's just some burlap fabric I think I got from Walmart. Now I'm going to take matte Mod Podge and apply it generously to the whole canvas. I didn't have any sign large enough for the watering can, and I wanted it to kind of look like a, I don't know, kind of shabby chic. So that's why I'm using the canvas. I have another video I'm going to upload of another wreath that's more colorful, but more springy colors. But that's all I'm doing here. I'm using a sponge brush and applying the matte Mod Podge. And now I'm going to take the fabric and just apply it on top. And then I apply more Mod Podge. This really stiffens it up, especially if you want to do something like stenciling on it or something. And if you're new here, I just want to welcome you, and if you like the content, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Here goes my great editing skills. It has Life is Beautiful, and they're real pretty, laser cut on the front. But I want to put real flowers, so I tried to take them off. I couldn't get those letters off. I barely got this label off. I had to use water, spray it down, and then some Goo Gone. And then I cut that off with my utility knife. It was kind of hard to get off. And now I'm just going to take Apple Barrel Matte White Paint. And I put 2 coats of this on there, and I have it sped up because this video ended up being longer than I anticipated. And I made this prior to getting Wi-Fi. And then once I got Wi-Fi, I and I saw how well, or Wi-Fi, fiber optics. Once I saw how well it was, I went to Dollar Tree and got some stuff, and then I made some videos with that stuff. Because I was just kind of excited that our Dollar Tree had anything. They didn't have a whole lot, but they had more than anticipated. And I guess I'm going to show you me doing this again. I should probably make a channel of all the things not to do while editing. Because I'm awful at it. But I'm getting the sides. And then these were also sent to me in that mystery challenge by Lori. She printed out some little laser butterflies with an inkjet printer. I didn't know that you could do inkjet, and I had never done any on tissue paper, so she sent me a couple, and then it showed me how to do it. I tried putting the water around them, but they're so small. To get them to tear apart, that wouldn't work. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge to put these down. And then I don't know what I was thinking. I started out just putting Mod Podge on top after I did it of just the butterflies. And then I'm like, duh, you got to cover the whole thing in Mod Podge now. I used to wouldn't use I couldn't. Mod Podge and I just did not get along. But I didn't have any problem getting these down. See, like for summer, I may do a wreath, but like I said, even though we don't camp anymore, I'm not used to doing summer and other than Easter, not many spring crafts. Now I'm going to take some antique wax and go around it and distress it a little bit. I love this watering can, but I didn't want to just paint those raised up flowers. I wanted to put some real flowers. So I'm just going around the edges. I end up going over the actual can itself. And you know, I wanted to do this metal looking. I really wanted to. And I thought, no, I need to do more colorful stuff. But it's just really, it's hard. Most people like colorful stuff, but I like industrial looking stuff and different. Just, I don't know. So now the Mod Podge has dried, and I'm just taking my utility knife, and I saved that excess because I can use that for something else. I need to get more. So I'm just using my utility knife. I didn't think my little X-Acto knife would cut it well. Now, oh, yeah. So I have these little, I guess those are roses, maybe? Kind of peach color. I'm just trying to see how many I'm going to put. And I'm going to attach them to the back. And I just use hot glue gun. I do cut them down, the stems down. My guys are watching basketball, and I'm just telling you, I'm so over it. So if you hear them in the background, I come back in and I put some kind of on top of the other ones. I had to use a whole lot of hot glue. I don't have a stapler, a small stapler that opens up. Otherwise I would have stapled down. My husband has one of those staple guns, but it would have gone through this. But I used a lot of hot glue. Some of them didn't make the cut. Because I think these came from Dollar Tree last year. I'm not real crazy about most of their florals. I normally get them at Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and they rarely have very many florals at our Dollar Tree, but those are pretty. They go better with the butterflies. Now I have these Jenga blocks, and I'm just going to glue those down because I need something to make that watering can stand out. So I just take 2 Jenga blocks or tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree. And then I end up putting, once I figure out the placement, I put 2 up closer to the top as well. And then I have this came from Hobby Lobby. This is like a rose ribbon, or not. Yeah, I guess it's a ribbon, but it has little rosettes on it. And it has like a netting So I cut that off the sides. And I glue it with hot glue. But I put it all the way around because I wanted something to frame this. But I like it. I mean, again, I'm not a, I don't know, flowery type of person. I like flowers. Some better than others, but I wanted to make that canned metal looking as, and I thought, no, I'll do some color. And that's why I need those, because those flowers and with those letters that I couldn't get off, it wouldn't lay flat. So I need some elevation. I'm just hot gluing it down. Like I said, I've got a wreath, another wreath that I've made that I'm gonna, I enjoy making wreaths, but I will get that uploaded. So that is it. And oh, I end up taking a little hope, metal hope sign or letters and gluing it. And I like it. I think it's cute. So you'll have to let me know what you think. And again, if you're new here, I want to welcome you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really do appreciate you all. And you'll have to just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching and have a good day.